What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing my MST Performance Cold Air Intake on my B58 440i. Let's get it. Before we get into that, I just wanted to give you a quick reminder. If you guys haven't done already, please click the subscribe button down below and turn on your notifications. I post a lot of car related stuff on the channel pretty frequently, so if you guys are into that, it will really help me. Good, smush it, please.
See this guy? See this guy? Mother! He's still alive! That's a clip. He was still alive after I smacked him.
Oh no.
Man, I miss working cameras.
You ready?
What's up, guys? King Omar here, back with another video. I'm with Noah.
What's up, Javi?
Reaction to, what is this thing called? I don't know anything about
cold
cars.
air intake.
The cold air intake?
Cold air intake.
Reaction to the cold air intake tune thingy to the car. Let's see, to this M4, what is it? M440i?
440i.
440i, no M, 440i. Sorry, guys.
It's not an M.
Yeah, we'll get there in next year, inshallah.
Inshallah. You hear that?
Yeah, hold up, I need to hear it again. Whose phone is going off?
Your phone, man.
Wait, that? No, hold up.
Listen to, like, do you hear that swooshing sound?
Hold up. Oh, now I hear it. Oh, that's fire.
Bro, I fell in love with it.
Go a little faster.
I got you, I'm going on the screen right now.
Yeah, hold up, guys. We just finished working out. You know, he's getting big. You see his arms already? Look at that.
Yes, sir.
Woo!
Bro, all that sounds so good. Put your seatbelt on, man. Safety.
Whoa. That sounds so epic.
Bro, I don't know if the camera can pick it up.
No. You guys understand? Like, this sounds epic. Ready? You guys hear that? Oh my god. How come it's not after?
I mean,
stop
it does it sometimes. Here, let me try closing the window too.
Okay, let's see if we can hear it better with the window down. Up.
It sounds good.
That sounds epic, yeah.
Bro, like I was watching review videos, it doesn't catch it on camera. It sounds so much better in person.
No, you can definitely hear it. Like,
it's really nice.
Do it again, do it again.
I got you. And then when you're first gassing it, like listen to the acceleration. You can hear the turbo.
Yeah, I hear it.
That's so good.
No, bro, you guys need to hear this. There you go.
BMW?
No. Sorry guys, BMW is beautiful. It's my second favorite car, but I'm a Mercedes guy, man. Sorry guys. I need that what is that, 4 liters V8?
4-liter V8?
Is that what it is? No, it's a 6-liter V8. The GT63?
I have no idea.
Yeah, 6-liter V8. I don't know actually.
All I know is BMW is better, so you should get one.
Debatable. Not in my books though.
Bro, M's are better than AMG.
Hell no. This is still a beautiful car, but like this is actually like gorgeous for sure. Like look how beautiful this looks.
Nah, it's sexy. I mean, honestly.
But listen, come on, man. You're not beating the
AMGs are
interior.
nice though, like C63s.
You're not beating the interior. Oh my
It
god.
sounds so good.
I think if you get a what's it called? A mic, you might be able to pick it up.
I know. Working with what we have right now.
Falling on a budget. Nah, for real though. I love it. It sounds really good. It sounds a lot better. It's like a song that's not like what you had before. It's like a song that's not mastered, mixed and mastered. You get me?
Yeah.
Like you just
exactly.
and then you're mixing and mastering the song. You get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
You probably burnt like $40 worth of gas right now, but it's all good. Tax write-off, guys.
Tax write-off. I wish. That's coming out of my pocket.
I'm just kidding. Nah, you got my reaction. I love it, honestly. And we'll catch y'all later, baby. Nice. Hey, King Omar made his debut on Nuh's channel.
Yes, sir.
What is good, guys? Welcome to Nuh's channel, or whatever the hell it is.
You're making your debut on my channel too?
I guess.
No, you've been on the channel.
I have been.
You actually helped
we're gonna be reacting to his intake, even though it's not the first reaction. It's like the first time we should have really brought a camera because we were super hyped. Yeah.
Let's go. Actually, so
dude. Bro.
I can't get over it.
It is crazy.
Like we've had it
It's
installed.
literally, bro, you don't even need a blow-off valve at this point.
I've had it installed for 2 days. I just can't get over it. It sounds so good.
And then
Where it makes the pops louder.
popcorn machine.
Does it make it? Does it make it pop more?
I feel like it does give it a better burble because like more flow to the exhaust. But I never know.
Maybe we're just dumb, but
maybe.
I feel like it's nicer.
Possibly, bro. No, it definitely does give it more burble though. Low end burble.
Oh my god.
Bro, this
that
thing
sounds
literally
so good.
It's
sounds
crazy.
So good.
It literally sounds like, I don't know how to explain it. It sounds amazing. That's all you guys need to know. That's it. If you have oh my god, bro. Oh my god. If you guys have a 440, you guys better be getting an MST. What is it?
The MST performance.
MST, that one, yeah.
B58.
Hell yeah, bro. That's a big recommendation on my end. And do you recommend it?
Bro, it was like worth every penny, honestly.
Hell yeah. Perfect. That's all we need to
And
know.
it's not even just that. I feel like it might be in my head, but I swear I feel like the car performs better.
It probably does.
But like obviously, I'm not like talking about like 20 horsepower, like maybe like 2 or 3 horsepower. Like I can feel it.
Hey, that's all that matters. You can feel that 2-3 horsepower. That's more than enough.
I don't know, bro.
No, it definitely gives you more airflow and probably a little bit of a better exhaust tone. But as long as you're happy with it, bro, that's good.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Best reaction, babe.
Perfect. Hope you guys have a good one. On to the next thing.